Teams is designed to act like a hub, keeping everything in one place. Let's take a quick look at the layout. The sidebar gives you access to key functions. To start, there's Activity, which includes notifications of all your activity. Next, Chat is for instant messaging, one-to-one or group chats, which are only seen by the people in the conversation. The tab below is all the teams that you're a part of. Then a calendar, which is linked to your individual Outlook. You have Calls, for voice calls. And then all your files, recent files accessed in Teams, SharePoint, and also an easy quick access to OneDrive. Then here, up at the top, you have a search bar to find content across your various teams and chats. And then your profile, where you have access to various settings, for example, altering the theme for accessibility. Now let's look at joining a team. To find and join a specific team, click on Join or Create Team at the bottom of the Teams list in the Teams space. If it is listed, click on the tile to join. If it isn't, type a specific team name in the search box in the top right and follow the instructions to join. A team is a collection of people working together on a common goal. A team is made up of channels, which are the collaboration spaces where the actual work gets done. Each channel is dedicated to a specific topic, department, or project. Within Teams, you always have a general channel, which is like a home channel. Posts is a space for conversations and other communications like announcements. Here I can share messages with my whole team and keep a clear audit trail of any conversations around a particular project or topic. Then Files, to share files with colleagues where I can upload and share documents. You can click on Plus New to create new documents or folders. This is great to be able to share and collaborate on documents. Next, you have a wiki, which is a shared notebook for the team. And then here on the end, you can link through to key resources by clicking on the Plus tab. Here, you can add apps and other content to a Teams tab. For example, a shared Excel, a notebook, or a website that you all use regularly. There are lots of other apps there to explore. For instance, I've created a Planner tab here. If you wish to add a channel to a team, go to the team, click on the three dots, and choose Add Channel. In the menu that pops up, name the team, add the description or other details. Then there are privacy options. Standard channels can be seen by everyone in the team. If you only want certain team members to have access to the information, you can create a private channel. Just add the team members you want, when this is complete, the private channel will appear with a lock icon after it. Now let's have a brief look at Chat and Calendar. To start a new chat, go to the chat icon. Insert the name of your colleague here, and you can start a one-to-one conversation in this chat space. Alternatively, if you want to speak or video call them, you can do that from the icons in the top right. You can always add further colleagues to the chat or call by clicking on the Add People icon here at the top. Note that any files shared in the chat can be accessed here in the Files tab. Your calendar is where, without leaving the Teams app, you can see your Outlook calendar. You can set up online meetings in advance by clicking on the New Meeting button here. Just follow the usual steps to set a meeting up. Or set up an ad hoc meeting by clicking Meet Now. When you join a new team, it's automatically shown in your Teams list. There are a few ways you can organize this list so the teams you work with regularly are easy to find. You can expand or collapse a team by clicking on the arrow to the left of the team icon. You can move a team higher up the order by dragging and dropping the team name to the required place in the list. If you don't want a team to show in your team's list, you can hide it. Go to a team and click on the More Options button and select Hide. You can access or show it again by selecting Hidden. Then click on the three little dots More Options button and select Show. If you want to manage the view for all your teams at once, click on the cog at the bottom of the Teams list to open a Manage Teams window. Here, you can choose which teams you want to show or hide. In your settings accessed from your profile, you'll find your notification settings. Within the notifications settings, you can manage what notifications you get and how you get them. You can set a different preference for the different activities, such as @mentions or messages. If you don't want any emails, just make sure all activity types are set otherwise. For some activities such as likes, you can switch off notifications altogether. You can also follow a person's status so that you get notified when they appear available or offline. Banner means that you'll receive a notification on your desktop, not just within the Teams application. To keep notifications to within the app, select Only Show in Feed. You can manage your notifications for specific channels when you're in the Teams or Activity view.